Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Hyundai Elantra clock spring. Before starting, always prioritize safety by disconnecting your car's negative battery cable and waiting at least 10 minutes. This allows the airbag system to de-energize completely. You will need a new clock spring, a flathead screwdriver, metric sockets, a ratchet, a 21mm socket, a 10mm wrench, and a torque wrench. Make sure your steering wheel is perfectly straight before you begin. Now let's move on to removing the airbag. There are typically 3 locking pins on the back or sides of the steering wheel. Use your flathead screwdriver to press these pins, which will release the airbag module. Once loose, carefully disconnect the electrical wires from the back of the airbag. You'll notice yellow connectors with orange safety clips. Pull these orange clips first, then gently disconnect the yellow connectors. Always store the airbag safely, face up, in a clean, dry place. With the airbag safely out of the way, it's time to remove the steering wheel. Have a helper hold the wheel firmly to keep it from turning. Use a 21mm socket and a breaker bar to loosen the large nut in the center. Leave the nut on a few threads, then gently rock the steering wheel side to side until it comes loose. After removing the steering wheel, you can access the plastic trim, which is secured by 3 screws. Remove these, disconnect the electrical plugs, and then take out the old clock spring. Now for the installation. Carefully place the new clock spring, ensuring it is centered and clips into position. Reconnect all the electrical connectors to the new clock spring. Next, slide the steering wheel back onto the shaft, making sure it's perfectly straight. Tighten the steering wheel nut to 50 Nm with your torque wrench. Finally, reconnect the airbag's electrical connectors, pushing the orange clips to secure them, and then press the airbag module back into the steering wheel until it locks.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.